Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm AmandaMuse, and today we are doing another video of Does It Really Work? We're going to be using this crimper that I found on Amazon. I'll tell you more about it in a second, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm quite pleased with the product and how it turned out, and I feel like this is a look that is wearable for a woman in her mid-30s, because some of these things I feel like you come across the internet, you're like, I don't really know, I'm like 35, so is it appropriate? But I think it is. So I'm actually attending a holiday party tonight. This is the look that I came up with, just a fun, crimpy look. We're gonna try this crimper. So I've seen some crimpers online for a lot more money than this bad boy cost me. I picked this up on Amazon, and the reason for it is twofold. One, kind of fun to switch up your hairstyle every now and then. Also, my hair is getting a little longer. You guys have been following me for a while. I've been growing out this pixie. I can't even say it anymore. It was really short last year, and now it's much longer. And it's kind of fun to have couple more options on how to style my hair. I also have a 7-year-old daughter who loves to play with her hair. So it can give you the look of like that really like mermaid-y wave. I also find it's nice to do as a bottom layer if you're curling your hair, but you don't want like tight, big curls. You just kind of want like a loose wave. So anyway, I've played around with it a little bit. Let's give it a go today. Button on the front allows you to play with the temperature. I try to put it down to like 160 degrees. I'll do 150. I always try to reduce the temperature. I have used some dry shampoo because I'm on like day 2 of this hair, so it's quite flat. So what I find, and if you have longer hair, naturally you're gonna be able to like follow the wave a little bit. What I try to do is make it so that the bottom little piece, this is going to be complicated to explain, is pointing down and not flipped out, because depending where it hits on the barrel, it's going to either flip out or flip down. So I like to leave a little bit of space at the bottom. So, okay, here we go. Woo. Again, I am not going too close to my hairline. Quite frankly, this is also the bottom half of my hair, so I don't have to worry too much. You can see though, we got the extra layer here. Count to 10. And then what I try to do is put this top one where that guy was, below that. Oh, I kind of screwed that one up. The bottom's gonna be a bit weird. And there you have it. A very crimpy piece of hair. So see how the bottom kind of flips out? It's not ideal, but I can always fix that after. So now we're just gonna go around the rest of my head. It's very hard to film and do this without burning yourself, so let's be careful, shall we? Because it is such a wide tool, you do cover a lot of hair in one go, which makes for a really quick hairstyle. Kind of fun if you're doing your kids' hair. Actually, my daughter had a friend over and I did both of their hair in like 5 minutes, and they were like so impressed with the mermaid hair. So I think for the price point, I'm enjoying it. I don't spend a lot of time on my hair. It's usually just blow dried. I add a little wave, that's about it. It's nice to kind of add something extra to the mix to be a little fancy. Now with the top layer, I might actually do like a deep side part. So. Sort of try your best to have your little crimp sections line up, because it can look a little weird. Like some areas, like you see there's like the little press down there, you know what I mean? Like where the crimp was. So, you know, you just try to like freshen it up. I also noticed like this one in the front, it's not really crimping very nice. So you're trying to like, you know, trying to get that crimp in the middle where you'll really see the definition. But I mean, again, I'm all about that very forgivable kind of hairstyle. So once it's done and you've confirmed that you like the crimping in the back, which is always tricky when you're doing your hair by yourself, this is what it is right now. To hold the look in place, I love this Kenra dry texture spray. Give it a little shake, and then I just kind of spray from the bottom up. So this keeps it soft to the touch, gives it that texture. I'll do my makeup and then I'll show you the finished look in just a moment. And that's it, guys. So now I am all put together for this party. I am quite pleased with it. And another way I think I was telling you that I like to wear this look is just part it down the middle, a couple of pieces in the front, and a big old scrunchie in the back, just like a half up type of look. I feel like it's just very cute and feminine, and I don't always do cutesy hairstyles or fun things with my hair. I'm usually a pretty simple gal, but I feel like this is very user-friendly, even for someone like me who's like not a pro at hair stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Links below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.